Welcome, seekers of inner peace. In life's whirlwind, remember, take it easy. Trust in the flow of the universe. Like a river, life has its twists and turns. Instead of resisting, surrender to its currents. Let go of worries and anxieties, for they only weigh you down. Choose peace over chaos, serenity over stress. In every moment, choose take it easy. So, dear souls, let the wisdom of take it easy guide you, and watch as joy unfolds effortlessly. May peace reside within you.